flame, chaos contained in the pan. To the flame, the fire.
Hit the steel until it screams. Oil like thunder in the night. Shaking at the surface hard. A battlefield of flavor and fire. Carrots small like broken glass. Onions bleed their burning breath. Pepper sparks the rising storm. White pepper dancing close to death. Dark soy stains the skyline black. Light soy floods the flame attack.
Ground ginger in the smoke we trust. Everything burns, all turns to dust. One fire discipline, turn the heat until it bends. Egg noodles twisting through the storm where hunger finally ends. Spice like lightning in my veins, buldak burning through the pain. Every bite another war, every flavor rain of flavor. Flavor rain of flavor.
Steel spatula strikes again. Rhythm of the stir-fry war. Cantonese noodles tangled tight like scars from fights before. Sizzle louder than regret. Every second feels the flame. What survives
Becomes the meal, what burns will feed the nail.
break down. Let the war breathe. Let the war breathe. Hoison fire. Noodles save. There is onions, peppers,